important part of Bangalore. I know I love cafes, whether it is to work or chill with my friends. So here I am in this special video of Rasoi Saga, where I bring to you 4 new cafes to check out in Bangalore. These are newly opened places which have an amazing ambience, amazing food and desserts. So stay tuned for the video and do subscribe, like and share with your foodie friends. I'm super excited to tell you guys about these 4 places. Let us see which is the first one. Started by Chef Sanjukta a couple of months back, Circle Dream is a newly opened cafe in Koramangala 5th block. We are back here to try their Italian food. I have heard that their deep dish pizzas are amazing. I'm ready to try that and along with other things that they have on their menu. So stay tuned to the video to find out the best eats in the Circle Dream and yeah, let's go. So we have started with the food here at the Circle Dream, and first we are having the Turkish pide bread, which is a garlic bread made in the form of a Turkish bread, and it looks so good. You guys saw the making of that. It's super fresh from the wood fire oven and I'm excited to taste it. So I'm having a bite of this. They have cut it into pieces which makes it easier to eat. So I'm digging into this. Oh my god, you guys, this is amazing. There's a crunch from the roasted garlic with which it has been garnished. It's the star of the show. It's so good. Then there are roasted cherry tomatoes, there's mozzarella cheese and the pesto, which makes it a heavenly combination, and I love this appetizer. This is a must have. It's so good. It's fresh, it's delicious and amazing appetizer. For all you vegetarians, this is a must recommend. Do try this one. So next we have moved to the gnocchi, that is your handmade pasta. It comes with shiitake mushroom, a lemon butter sauce, mozzarella cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. Amazing, right? Gnocchi is here. It looks delicious. The sauce is so creamy. Oh my god. Okay. So good. The lemon butter sauce is perfect. The flavoring is so delicious and you can taste the cheese, but it is not too cheesy. There's a hint of spice and there's a hint of garlic, which I love. And if you guys don't know, I love mushrooms and my favorite variety of mushroom is shiitake mushroom, which this dish has. So I think for me, this is a must have. So we have moved to the star dish of this cafe. This is the Chicago style deep dish pizza. And oh my god guys, it looks so good. I mean, just look at the pizza. It's huge and it looks very appetizing. And yeah, it is filled with shiitake mushrooms, olives, spinach, cheese, cherry tomatoes, and I'm ready to dig in. Oh, this is amazing. Alright, so I have my huge slice of the deep dish pizza here. As you guys saw, the pull of the cheese, and and I'm ready to dig in. I can't talk anymore with this in front of me. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so as I'm digging in, there are layers of veggies. There's olive, there's mushroom, and there's the crust of the pizza. Wait, nothing. Whoa. This is lovely. Superb taste. This is heaven for all you cheese lovers. This deep dish pizza is filled with cheese and lots of good veggies. It's amazing, you guys. I have nothing more to say. The crust is browned perfectly. It is crispy and the inside is soft, which makes it an amazing combination. Did I mention I love mushrooms? This is heavenly for me. Wow. Having a bit of the crust as well. Perfect. Definitely try this Chicago style deep dish pizza when you come to Circle Dream. I highly recommend it. This is my favorite. So we love the Italian food here at the Circle Dream, and I'm sure that you will love it too. So we recommend this place to you. Find all the details in the description below, the Google Map link and everything else, though it is easily locatable. And yeah, stay tuned for the second place that we are heading to right now. So the second cafe today on our list is Cafe Petrichor. We are exploring this beautiful cafe, and as you guys can see that it has very good interiors, and we are going to explore a bit more of the food just in a while. So stay tuned to this best cafe compilation list on Rasoi Saga and watch us explore more food at Cafe Petrichor. So we have been served a lot of good food here at Petrichor, and we are super excited to try all of this. As you guys can see that on the screen it looks tempting, but I'm sorry, I'm the one who gets to taste it. So we are starting with the Three Musketeers, which is their bruschetta, and it's these cute little breads with several toppings. Wow, this is really good. So now we are moving to one of the star attractions here, which has again been suggested by the owner, and it's called the Meaty Treaty Pizza. It's a flatbread pizza. It looks amazing. What more can I say? Let's dig in. This is pretty good. I feel like there is a bit of sauce and spice lacking in this one. It's loaded with meat. There's salamis, there's also egg. If you guys can see a closer look, there's also egg, there's meat, everything. But it feels a bit dry to me, honestly. Super crunchy. This is pretty good. I'm going to try the other main courses and suggest you guys the best ones according to me. So now I'm moving to my personal favorite, which is the khao shui. It's a Burmese dish, and since it's raining in Bangalore, it is so perfect for that. I have added chicken in mine, but they have veg variations for all the dishes that they serve here. So you guys can definitely check that out. I am digging into the khao shui. I love it. It is the perfect blend of flavors. Nothing is overpowering. It's balanced. It's super well cooked and it's perfect. Do try it. So good. So this is quite an unusual dish that is being served in a cafe here, and I'm very fascinated by it. It was there in the chef's special menu, so I picked the Japanese katsu curry, and we have ordered in the chicken variety. You can also order in veg, and yeah, let us see how it tastes. This is my first time trying this dish, so let's dig in. They have served it with rice and some fried chicken. There's gravy. That's some pretty innovative and interesting flavors right there. There are baby potatoes, carrots and onions and a lot of veggies on the plate and chicken, and the gravy is somewhere between spicy and sour. I love it. Really interesting. So we are ending the shoot today at Petrichor on a very sweet note with the very amazing looking chocolate banana crepe. So this has been suggested by the owner, and we are super excited to try it. It looks amazing. It's also available in the apple cinnamon flavor, but we are chocolate lovers, so we went for this. The crepes are super good, guys. It's perfectly made. Chocolate and banana is a lovely combination. This is good. Somehow I just feel like it could have been a bit sweeter. I don't know, maybe it's because of the sweetness of the banana which varies. But for me it could have been sweeter. I'm a sweet tooth, so I expect that. But otherwise, overall, it's lovely. So yeah, this was my review of Petrichor. You can definitely visit it. We are putting all the links in the description below. Now we are heading to the third new cafe in Bangalore that you need to check out. So stay tuned. So the third cafe for the day on this feature video of Rasoi Saga is the Caffeine Bar. Located right opposite Central Mall in JP Nagar, this is a beautiful work cafe and a great place to chill with your friends or colleagues. I personally love this place for the coffee, the snacks, the food and the desserts. And I'm going to tell you guys more about it. Keep watching the video for more, and yeah, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Let us talk more about the Caffeine Bar. So yeah, today we are tasting the siphon coffee, the ABJ croissant and the chicken sandwich. This is pure bliss. It's a black coffee. As you guys know, I'm lactose intolerant. This coffee is beautiful. Coffee, hot coffee in this rainy weather in Bangalore. Some sandwich and some croissant. What more do you need, man? Let us dig into the ABJ croissant. I've had this before and I love it. So good. Perfect layers, perfect taste, so buttery. The filling is spot on. You must try this. So this is a creamy chicken filling. It's not spicy at all. It's perfect to go with your coffee, I believe, during like snacks time or even for a light lunch. This will be perfect. I personally love this place, you guys, for working or for just like, chilling with your friends or colleagues. Do visit the Caffeine Bar. Link of the location is in the description below. We have moved to the food section here at Soros Flavor Coffee, and we have taken the smoked chicken, egg and cheese sandwich and the croque monsieur. With that, they have provided us with mayo, some curly fries and some salad. The food looks pretty good, you guys. So the focus here is coffee. There's a lot of variety that you get here, but the food also looks very good and I am excited to try it. Let's go with the first sandwich. So as you guys can see, it is filled with some salami and some egg. There is cheese and some veggies. Let's dig in. That's really good. There's a crunch of the veggies, the softness of the egg. Then there is the mayo, and the salami obviously is really good. There's not a lot of food options here, but if you want to eat something, this is the sandwich to try. They also have curly fries and some mayo. I love it. I love this one. Both of them are really good. And for cheese lovers, croque monsieur is the one to take. Let's move to the next part of the food now. Okay, so next item is not a pancake. It's a good looking pancake is what I would say. It is layered with bananas and chocolate sauce, and on top there's whipped cream, some edible flowers, choco chips. Oh my god, I'm so ready to dig in, you guys. I'm sure just by the looks of it, you guys will order the pancakes at Soros Flavor Coffee, just like I have. So yeah, let's have it. Super good. Pancakes are super fluffy. It's not excessively sweet, it's mildly sweet. It's a perfect breakfast actually. If you take the overnight oats, if you take the pancakes and a coffee, you can have breakfast here. Amazing. I'm gonna have a part of my favorite part here, which is the whipped cream and the choco chips. This is so good. So good. I think it's the perfect ending to the perfect meal here. I absolutely love the pancakes. I'm gonna finish it. My friend and I are gonna finish it after the shoot. It's really good, you guys. You must order this dish for sure. So we are at the end of the Soros Flavor Coffee shoot here, and I highly recommend the place. It's a new place on Cunningham Road, Bangalore, and you must visit it for some fascinating coffees, good food and great desserts. So that is it for today, you guys. 4 new cafes to check out in Bangalore. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this list. Tell me your favorite cafe in the comments below, and do visit all of these places. I love them and I'm sure you will too. And again, subscribe to Rasoi Saga, like the video and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.